This is the next path of the day, and I'm gonna try to make it over to where we have the Mario Kart path. Something has clearly been sleeping in there. It looks not small.